2007 Chrysler Town and Country Touring, 63,000 miles, one owner, stow and go, leather seats, navigation, DVD, no accidents, power rear liftgate, power sliding doors, stow and go, chrome wheels, factory chrome wheels, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in like new condition. Power sliding door, power sliding door, stow and go, third row seats, power rear hatch, rear parking sensors, power seats, leather interior, $63,000 miles, navigation, DVD, there's the Carfax report, one owner, no accidents, original floor mats, keys, owner's manual, (2007) Chrysler Town and Country Touring, one owner, 63,000 original miles, navigation, DVD, heated seats, fully loaded, in immaculate condition.